Hello everyone and thanks for joining us today. My name's James from Livestorm. In this tutorial video, we'll be going through step by step on how you can set up an RTMP input into Livestorm. So what is an RTMP input and why would you need that in Livestorm? Or sometimes you need more control over your video stream, whether that's adding multiple camera angles, lower thirds, branded overlays, or even mixing in some pre-recorded content. There's many things you can do to manipulate the stream to give you a professional edge on your live event. Tools like OBS, Streamlabs, vMix, XSplit, Wirecast, there's many tools that you can use to produce a high quality dynamic video using RTMP streams. Now here's the best part, Livestorm remains your hub. You still get all the powerful features that make Livestorm ideal for live online events, registration, analytics, Q&As, replays, chats. RTMP simply upgrades how the video looks and behaves, giving you a professional edge. It gives you professional level control while Livestorm continues to handle everything else that matters for running a great live event. This feature is available as an add-on for business and enterprise customers. If you're interested in this feature, please reach out to us and we can look at enabling this on your own account. So let's jump into the Livestorm dashboard. Let's have a look at how you can set this up on your account. In this example today, we're going to be using OBS and Streamlabs as our two examples. The first thing is I'm just going to create an event. I'm just going to call it RTMP, just so I know that's the event. And once we're in our event, we can click on Event Setup and we'll come to the video settings. So you'll notice here there's an option called Allow Stream Override with your RTMP source. I'm going to enable that at event level. Once you've enabled that on your event in your event settings, if you come to your session here, select the session, you'll notice that there's a new option here called Enable RTMP Source. So I'm going to click on that. And here we see the server URL and stream API key. So these are the two important things that you need to set it up. Here we are in Streamlabs. For the purpose of this video, I've got a background and I've just given our Livestorm logo here. So I'm happy with that. That's what I want in Streamlabs, but I want that to be the stream in Livestorm. First thing I need to do is come to Streamlabs desktop here. So I need to go into Settings and then I need to go to Stream. And here it's asking for the URL and the stream key. In Livestorm, when I enabled the RTMP source, the server URL is here. I'm going to grab the URL and I'm going to paste that in here. Now I'm going to come back and get the stream API key from Livestorm, back into Streamlabs, stream key, and I'll paste that in there. So we'll just double check. Okay, that looks good. And I'll click on Done. Okay, so with my URL and my stream key in place, I can click on Go Live. That's starting, and now that's streaming. Okay, and I come back into Livestorm and I'm going to start my event. Access room, I'm going to start my events. Here we are, we're in the Livestorm event room. We have our Streamlabs software streaming with RTMP into Livestorm. Okay, and it's working. This is streaming from Streamlabs into the Livestorm event room using the RTMP stream. Okay, so since that session is ended, I'm going to go ahead and add another session and we'll do the same with OBS. It's good to note here that the procedure from the Livestorm side is exactly the same no matter what RTMP stream you're using. OBS, Streamlabs, any product that you've got that you want to stream using RTMP, it's going to be exactly the same from the Livestorm side. You've got the URL and the API stream key and you're good to go. Because this is enabled per session, you are going to have a different stream key. This is a new session and we're going to use OBS. It's important to note that the stream key here has been updated. I've enabled RTMP on the second event. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. Copy the server URL. Jumping into OBS. Again, I've gone ahead and added a video background in this case, and I've got the Livestorm logo. I'm happy using OBS in this case. You can use whichever tool that you want, but the process is exactly the same. In this case, I'm using OBS. So I need to go into OBS settings this time. OBS preferences. And much the same with Streamlabs, there is a stream setting here, and server and stream key. So maybe it's worded slightly different in your case, or maybe the settings in a slightly different menu location. If you do have trouble, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help and help you research where you put in the RTMP stream key. In OBS, settings, stream, I need to put in the server. In Livestorm, the server URL, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it in here. And the next thing I need is the stream key. So stream API key, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put that in here. And I'm going to click on OK. Okay, now that's configured, so I'm ready to start streaming. Okay, now that's enabled. So if I come back into Livestorm, and again, I'm going to access the event room, and everything's configured for RTMP. And here we are, I have the RTMP stream from OBS streaming into the Livestorm event room. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're here to help on the community or reach out to our support. So in summary, RTMP input is great if you need broadcast grade output, multi-platform streaming, better stability, a highly customizable stream, or maybe you have that device that you want to connect into Livestorm. If you have any questions or comments, or if you're having trouble setting this up, or if there's anything that we can help with, please reach out to us here at the Livestorm community or at Livestorm support. We're more than happy to help. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time.